I've lived here for decades. Now what? Have you lived in your home for 20, 30, even 40 years? If so, you know it's more than just walls and a roof. It's memories, it's milestones, it's the comfort and the familiarity. But sometimes life changes. The stairs get harder, the yard feels bigger, and the maintenance, it starts to feel impossible. If you're an older homeowner on a fixed income, you may be feeling trapped. You know it's time for a change, maybe a maintenance provided community, but the idea of leaving your home is overwhelming. On top of that, moving costs money, and most of your money is tied up in the home itself. You're not alone. This is one of the most common situations we see at Kansas City Legacy Properties. Good people who've worked hard, paid off their home, but feel they're out of options. The truth is, you have more options than you think. You don't need to sell your home for pennies. You just need to get someone to help you move. With the right guidance, you can access your equity, protect your investment, and transition on your terms. If you're ready for a fresh chapter but don't know where to start, we're here for you. At Kansas City Legacy Properties, we specialize in helping seniors sell with dignity and without giving away their home's value. Let's talk, no pressure, just options.